amazing product, guys. This product is super effective, guys. I have no idea why skincare formulators do not talk much about this particular product, but I will be sharing it with you. This is a skincare secret, guys. It is super effective. It is not pricey. It is not pricey. It is very cheap, and it is very effective. Hey beautiful ladies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kubo, and you was also welcome. If this is your first time tuning in on this channel, thank you so very much for clicking on this video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so very much for coming back again. So beautiful ladies, in today's episode, we are going to be talking about this amazing product, guys. This product is super effective, guys. I have no idea why skincare formulators do not talk much about this particular product, but I will be sharing it with you. This is a skincare secret, guys. It is super effective. It is not pricey. It is not pricey. It is very cheap, and it is very effective. Okay, it's a 3-day action cream. Okay, so guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly hit the subscribe button just while you like and share this video. Turn on your notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video, guys. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into the topic. Okay, beautiful ladies, like I said, we will be talking about an amazing product, very effective. This product, guys, I have no idea why people are talking about it. Okay, so but it's very effective. Like I always say, before I put out any product for out on my channel, I always make sure that that product has been used. Okay, it has been tested. All right, so guys, I will share with you this particular face cream. This cream is very good for dark spots. It's very good for sunburn. It clears sunburn, dark spots in 3 days. Yes, you start seeing super results in 3 days, guys, and I'm not joking about it. Okay, so this particular face cream, guys, is not pricey. It's very cheap. It's about 400 to 500 naira. Depending on where you are getting it. Okay, it is so good, guys. This particular face cream, I guess some skincare formulators, they know this fact, but they just don't want to talk about it. Okay, so I know a lot of people will come at me for bringing this particular face cream out. And I'm going to be mixing this with some few ingredients, not more, just 2 ingredients will be added to this to give a very effective result. Okay, and another thing you guys need to watch out for is to get the original of this product, guys. Get the original of this product so you don't end up getting the wrong product, okay, and causing even more havoc on your skin. All right, so and it just reminds me of a day I went to back then when I just started using Cottage Fresh. When they started, you know, Nigerians now, once something is nice, once something is good, they begin to make copy of that product, okay, just so that, you know, they can use the name to sell their own product. But guys, you need to be very careful when you are getting some of your products. That's why we always say on this channel, or that's why I always say on this channel, we have all the products, original products, available in our store. All you just need to do is just holler me on my number on the screen, and I will get your order delivered to you. Okay, so like I went out to get Cottage Fresh, like that back then I went out to get Cottage Fresh, and actually before I got to the store, I had called the lady to say, oh madam, I want to get Cottage Fresh and I want to get the original one, please. And she also told me, yes we have the original one, yes we have the original one. So when I went to the store and when I got there, I said, I'm the lady that called you, I want to get the Cottage Fresh. Do you know what they did? They gave me, they actually bought the fake one. And then when they brought the fake one, I just looked at it and said, no, madam, I don't want this particular one. And she was surprised. So they both sales girls, they looked at themselves then, and they said, oh, this one knows what she's talking about. They went and they got the original one for me, and I said, yes, this is what I want. So these guys, they actually know what they are doing. Okay, so when you are going out to get your product, please shine your eyes. Okay, if you are in Nigeria, you need to shine your eyes very well. So guys, so this particular cream I'll be talking about is this amazing products. It's very small but mighty. It reminds me of the miracle powder, small but mighty. So this particular product, guys, like I said, it is not pricey, it is very cheap. This is how it looks. I hope the screen can pick this very well. It's not so clear, but then again, that's what it is. This yo-yo face cream is super effective, guys. It works so well. It has a lot of ingredients that helps with anti-aging. Okay, it helps with aging skin. Okay, it helps to, if you have a skin that is sagging, if you use this product, it's going to pack everything back, going to arrange everything back for you. Okay, so this particular product works very well for sunburn, it works very well for dark spot, guys. This is the real deal. Okay, and you know me for that. I always make sure that I have tested every product. I always make sure that this whatever I am posting on this channel has been tested and trusted, so you can definitely go for this particular product. This yo-yo cream, guys, is amazing. You just need to try it. It's amazing. Okay, and it is not expensive. All right, so with this yo-yo face cream, like I said, I will tell you how you can mix this with just 2 ingredients, just 2, and you are good to go. Okay, so guys, if you are enjoying this topic, what are you waiting for? Please just hit the subscribe button just by your right, like and share this video, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video, guys. That's the only way you can support what I do, make me bring more videos to you, so that you can keep pushing on in this skincare journey we are together. So guys, this particular face cream, like I said, if you want to mix this, you just need 2 ingredients. Okay, so the first thing you'll be adding to this is your alpha arbutin serum, guys. Alpha arbutin serum. This particular serum, guys, you know how we do it. I'm going to leave the picture on the screen. This particular one, you just need to add a few drops to this yo-yo face cream, and then you add your miracle powder. The next thing you're going to be adding is the miracle powder, just 2 pinch of miracle powder, and you are good to go. Okay, so mix that very well. It doesn't matter how many things you might decide you want to add one more thing to it, but it is very thick. Okay, this is a very thick consistency. This cream has a very thick consistency, so whatever you put, don't worry, it doesn't matter, it's still gonna give you a very thick and good consistency. So this particular yo-yo face cream is a go for you. It is tested, it is trusted, guys. It is super effective. You can use this particular one to clear your sunburn and clear your dark spots. And also note, this is not a whitening face cream, guys. It is just should I say, an anti-aging cream, a cream that clears dark spots and clears sunburn. Okay, if you have a severe sunburn, use this particular recipe I'm telling you about, guys. You're going to love your skin within 1 week. From 3 days you start seeing the effects. Yes, from 3 days you start seeing the effects. So from 1 week you will come back and comment. Please come back and comment. So don't just use and go away. You come back and comment, okay, how it turned out. Okay, so thank you so very much for watching, guys. If you are here to subscribe, please do the needful. God bless you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.